Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can hide and reveal a folder in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that we will begin with this folder here. So I have created a folder, and this will set as an example on how you can do it on your device. So I have named it with hide me, and in order to hide this folder, all you need to do is just to make a right click on it and then click on this properties button here, and then you will be getting the folder properties. So all you need to do is just to select this hidden option in the attributes option or attribute section. Please select this hidden. Please make sure that it is checked. Once it is already checked, all you need to do is just to click on apply and then click on OK. And once you do that, the folder will now be hidden. And in order to reveal it, all you need to do is just to go to the File Explorer option. So to do that, simply make a click on the File Explorer option that you have there in your device or desktop, and taskbars. If you have already the File Explorer icon, please just make a tap on that. And if you haven't, please go to your Windows Search tab, and there you need to type File Explorer, and then you will get under Best Match the File Explorer option. So here, once the File Explorer is already open, all you need to do is just to go to the File tab. If you see a File tab there, you need to click on that, and then you need to select the Change Folder and Search options. Now, if you're not seeing that option, all you need to do is just to select this three icon here or three dot icon to see more, and click on this options button. And by the way, this three dot icon, and the options item in the three dot icon is the change folder and search options there. So once you click on that, you will get this folder options here. Now we need to go to the view tab, and under the hidden files and folders option, you will have these two options here: don't show hidden files, folders, or drives, and show hidden files, folder, and drives. So once you click on this second option, show hidden files, folders, and drives, and click on apply and then click on OK and then close this window, you will be seeing the folder. You will be now seeing the hidden folder slightly transparent, and you will now be able to open it and use the folder for your for any thing or for any reason that you have. Okay, so that's it. That's how you hide and reveal the folder that you have just hidden. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.